Hi, my name is Fiona Reid and I'm a mom of a beautiful 10-year-old boy, and I'm the owner of the company Liquid Lighting. I think if I had to explain what I do in a nutshell, I bring light into people's lives. I enjoy creating and I enjoy enhancing people's environments, and that's the reason I have such a passion for what I do and love what I create. We are solutionists. Essentially we do sales, but in the end I think what we're actually doing is creating solutions within a project that has been presented to us. Generally it would be a shopping centre, a commercial space or a residential environment, and the architects or the professionals, engineers bring us into these, into their briefings, and we take their vision and their scope of work that they want, and we create the lighting component of it and what the lighting requirements are. Whether it is to optimize the work environment, that they get their productivity within the work environment is increased, that is what we do. We create beautiful spaces. I focus more on the architectural design of things, but we work on various types of projects throughout the construction industry. So we started, or the formulation of Liquid started with when Warren and I met, which Warren is my business partner. We met about 10 years ago, in actual fact when I was very heavily pregnant with my son. And we formed a relationship with the industry, within the industry, but we worked for varying different companies. We changed career or changed companies that we worked through in the last 6 years since then. And then 4 years ago, we decided to take the plunge and start Liquid Lighting. And we started in a small garage type premises where we literally had our desks, which we borrowed from our homes, and we just took on challenges and started with absolutely nothing, but we had a vision and we had clients. We had clients that had been loyal to us for the 30 odd years that Warren's been in the industry, and we were able to hit the road running, and it's been a fabulous journey that both of us have taken throughout this, especially during COVID, because we actually did our best figures during COVID. What mainly our clients appreciate from us is that we can offer the complete solution. Therefore, if a client comes to us, we basically assist them in their whole lighting scope of work, and we can supply them from A to Z, and we've got a strong technical team behind us, so we can also assist with the installation. We've got a design team within our company that does relux designs, which is a component of lighting, and you often need it from a engineering perspective, that you are going to ensure that you're using the right lux levels for the various spaces. So we have a fantastic team behind us. I've got a support structure, and each one of them have their expertise that bring us to be able to create the solution, the full solution that our clients want. And in the end, it's an ease of maintenance afterwards, that they have a one-stop company to go to solve if there's any issues that arise. So I wanted to show you an example of our work, and so I've brought you today to the IUM office park that holds an awesome gym called Body Action Gym, and we basically designed the whole building's lighting for this project. There were times where we were tested to our limits. We had to import unique product that wasn't available in South Africa, had to learn how to program it, assemble it, which my business partner Warren, who's extremely technical, was the one that actually had to do a lot of the installations or assist in and guide in the installations. But this project has been essentially the highlight of our portfolio, and it showcases our capabilities and what we can do and what we can offer a client. We are very, very focused on value engineering as well, to ensure that we don't over-engineer a space and create something that is too overlit and not within what they actually need for their space. So Within our business, we obviously value our clients, and greatly so. We ensure that our service delivery to them is of utmost importance. But what we value in the same light are our suppliers and our relationships with the suppliers and the manufacturers within our industry. Many of them small entities that we work with and get guidance from them in what we need, and they assist us with bringing in products that we need. So what I've learned, especially over COVID and everyone that's been through these difficult times, is that we need to value each other and value working together, and relationships are so important. So I think if you're interested in engaging with us and having a look at your space and how we can enhance and optimize your working space, it doesn't have to be a new build, it could be something you're considering, then please go to look at our website at www.liquidlightingsa.com. You'll find all our details there, contact details, email addresses, and there you will also see the highlights of certain projects that we've done and the caliber of work that we've worked on. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.